So I've got my field piece psychrometer reading 104. Humidity is not as bad as I thought. It's only 50%, but it's 82% dew point. It's 105 degrees. Crazy. Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to replace a blower motor here. It's a standard PSC motor, PSC permanent split capacitor, and I think it's a 4-speed. So quickly show you how to replace this thing. Alright, got a couple screws here. Now we just unmount this here bracket. It's holding the board and all the electrical components on. I'll take these terminals up here. I keep the standard size bits you're always going to need. So this is going to be, I'm not even sure what size that is, but so this is size of the fan screws. Hot here, I'm already sweating like an animal. This sucker slides right out. Make sure you keep that out of the way. Here's a screw. Oops. Set screw here. You just want to loosen that. Might be tightly there. Let's see here. That was tight. Perfect. What I'm going to go ahead and do now as well. Get all our speed taps off so you want black. Oh man, that is so hot. Still hot from when I was running. Just going to go ahead and cut that off of there. Okay, let's see what size that is. Perfect. Not gonna lie, usually I'd take this thing outside to mount it, but it's not going to be too long. Hopefully, working on this should be pretty quick in and out. This motor's still hot, still very hot. Really do like this style bracket. Just seems a little bit easier. Not speak too soon on it though, but last time I remember. Much easier to get these things situated. This phone out of the way here. I'm going to have to take all this off. Okay, top half. The bushing. And then we'll do, ooh, that's hot. Matter of fact, this comes with a different style bushing on these. To fit these notches. So perfect. Just slides over there like such. It just gives a little bit of just dampens it a little bit. The old bushings out. I'm just going to go ahead and slide the lower bracket in like such. So it's going to be just like such. I'm going to put the lower screw in first. I'll do that all the way around. Nice. Okay. Now to mount the mounts. thing in the box. That sucker's hot. Another thing we don't want to forget as well. Get this ground lug on one of these mounts here. Perfect. Just simply just drop the shaft down in the fan wheel. Line up our 3 holes. Never want to forget this important step. Well, first off, let's get our set screw set and tighten. So what I do is, you want to line this flat part up with this here set screw. Try to get it kind of aligned first. Use hand set it. Looks like it needs to go back just about. Boom, right there. Perfect. So now it's set. Let's go ahead and torque this thing down. Beautiful. Very nicely aligned. Okay. Man, hot. Just for entertainment's sake. Really curious to see what the temperature is in here. It's hot. Alright. So we're going to go ahead and now slide this back in here. Got the fan mounted. Got the blower wheel lined up and tighten. Set screw tighten. So now we can just literally shove it back in. Oops. Close it this way. Back in there. You see there's going to be little lips, tabs that stick out that this here shelf is going to slide into. I'm not going to be able to catch it, but it's easy enough to do. Catching the side. Perfect. screws. Now we just want to get speed taps. This capacitor's new. Hot the capacitor. Wires on there. Start winding. Now what I'm going to do is going to feed through each one at a time. It's not that I don't know what speed is what, but this is just the way I always like to work. You know, I like to just work on it as if it's my first time. We know black goes on cooling. Black is a high speed. Blue. I'm going to park blue. Park yellow. Then we're going to go ahead and get our common neutral wire. Sorry. Get our neutral wire jumped on. Parked onto the neutral bank. Circulation neutral. Doesn't even matter which neutral you use. They're all pretty much connected together on the trace. We got these two yellows. Our limit. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and park our red onto the heating terminal. Okay. It's not difficult, it's just amazingly hot. So I've got my field piece psychrometer reading 104. Humidity is not as bad as I thought. It's only 50%, but it's 82% dew point. It's 105 degrees. Crazy. I would have thought it was a lot more humid up here. But I guess, for how hot it is, that's a pretty high humidity level, if you really think about it. The warmer the air, the more moisture it holds. So we're going to go ahead and slide this back in here. This board mount. Boom. done. All right. Everything's looking good. Go ahead and test it out. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and run it on cooling. Check the power factor. Oh yeah, door switch. Let's make sure that's cooling, not just in fan mode. Three. Yeah, basically 110 degrees. Not too bad. All right. Wasn't too bad. Got a nice little sauna treatment, as you can see. So that's good to go. And that's pretty much a quick tutorial on how to change a PSC blower motor on a upflow furnace. Nothing too special, but yeah, that's pretty much it. We'll see you on the next one, alright? Bye.